Hello everyone, this is Linda. I hope you're having a fine Wednesday. Ben is out in the moringa tree harvesting more pods today. And I think now I have about maybe 50 to 60 pods that he have already harvested. And the tree is still full of pods. Yeah. So this is my tree. Today is Wednesday, October 4th. And the alarm system just went off from FEMA. Yeah. But anyway, Ben is cutting grass, as you can hear over there. And he is still harvesting these moringa pods, but there's much more on there. Also, I've harvested many of the flowers that is on there because I use them in salads and I dry some for teas. Yeah. But today, guys, I harvested some moringa leaves about a month ago. I put them in a box and I put them under my table. Yep, and now they're all crispy. So today we're gonna powder them up. Yep, I'm gonna powder them up. So this is my box I've been having under my table for maybe about 3 weeks or so. They've been dry, but yeah, I've been taking my time about doing this. But today, y'all, I'm gonna powder this moringa up. And here are my pods. These are many of the pods that Ben has harvested from the tree. And yeah, I'm excited about them. I'm excited. Yeah, so they all are nice and crispy and they are full of seeds. So here is how I just powder up my my leaves, stems and all. I use all those stems because all parts of the Moringa Oleifera tree is edible. And not only is it edible, it is beneficial to the human body. Now, I know I don't have to mention how nutrient rich this tree is. Of course, she is called the tree of life, right? The drumstick tree, the miracle tree. It's just so many names for this tree. But as far as I'm concerned, this is the most nutritious tree that we can grow in our garden. And one thing is that all of us can grow this tree at some time or another. And yeah, all of us can have these leaves to powder them up for ourselves or eat them right off the tree. And I know many people that do eat it right off the tree. I have done it many times. I put them in salads. Even I seen my son over there at Grow Family Network, they cook their moringa leaves in soups. Yeah, it sounds wonderful. I've never cooked it in a soup before, but yeah, y'all know I'm gonna try now. I'm gonna try. Yeah. But they are nutritious. So if you ever have the opportunity to grow a moringa tree, why not, family? Why not? Now, I've seen some places here in my area, and not at the big box store, but at a, mom and pop nursery in my area. They sell Moringa Oleifera trees, but I've never seen one at a big box store. It is just so easy to grow. Listen, I've shared many videos on how to start your moringa trees from seed. And y'all know that's my favorite way to grow, is to drop a seed, right? Drop a seed. And I love this this powder. I put some in tea bags. And of course, I make not only hot tea, but I also make cold teas with them. So it is very beneficial to me and my family. I tell you this, I think it was 2020 when COVID first hit. My oldest grandson, he had COVID. I made him a tea with mullein and moringa, ginger, and turmeric, all that I had grown in my garden. I made him a tea with it, and he told me like in one day how wonderful he felt. He felt so much better that he didn't mind living in his room for those 10 days at that time by himself. It made it more pleasurable. He have a game in there, y'all know these games, Nintendos and all this other stuff. But he was he was feeling so much better after drinking these teas. So because I'm a big fan of moringa, I know the benefits of this tree. I know how it makes me feel and my family. I try to always have some available, not only fresh, but also in powder form. I do have some that is in dry leaves also. I'll share it at the end of this video where I have some just the leaves. I did not powder them at all, right? Yeah. So this is just my process on how I powder up my moringa, which is so very easy. Just dry them. You can use your dehydrator or just put them in a box or a bag and put them in a dark place under your cabinet. I've had some spread out on newspaper and I put it under my sofa and I just let them dry. And then I powder them just like this. You will be amazed if you ever use this powder for drinking, or if you have a cold, or if you're feeling sluggish. Yeah, try it, family. It's amazing stuff, and you could grow it in your garden. Right, family, so this is the powder that I got from my moringa leaves that I put in a box, and just put under my table. They dried very well. And here are the pods from today's harvest. Been harvest some today. So this is moringa leaves. I did not powder, and this is the powder moringa. Yeah, so I use this one for teas a lot. Yeah, so I did not powder this at all. It's just dried and put in this container, and that's the powder. Yep, it's Moringa Oleifera. Yeah. Y'all look at these greens now. These greens are looking good this morning. Yeah. They're really doing well out here. I have a lot of them still growing very beautifully. This is a lot of, I have beets in here, and of course that's kohlrabi, like right there. There and there. That's kohlrabi. But they all are doing well this morning. Yeah. So this is my candy roaster squash, and she's making flowers. But seriously, yeah, I don't think she's gonna make it. But that is those yard lawn beans down here. There's lots of flowers coming up, and her stem is going up in the butterfly peas. Yeah, I just let her, y'all. I just let her. And of course I have these greens, and they're doing really good. Real good. And those babies, I'll be eating on those soon. And you have these babies over here. So there's, mustard greens, kohlrabis, and broccoli rabe. Yeah. And we have a lot of collards up here. They're coming up. Whoa. Yeah. And of course, that back there Oof. That is arugula. Arugula. She's doing really good. That's arugula right there. Yeah. All right, guys. I wanted to share my lunch. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, this is my lunch for today. That is spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, lemons. This is some pasta and shrimp from last night, Tuesday night. I have maybe a little bit more for something for dinner. I'm gonna eat that. And this is salmon. Yeah. So, a girlfriend, she cooked this salmon, so I ain't mad, but it's good. It's good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I'll take it. But I hope you all are having a good day. Okay, I need a lemon on here, child. It's seasoned really good. I like that. Yeah. Okay, y'all. I'm going to eat. But I thank you all for watching the video. I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful evening. Later, y'all.